Bitfinex app. The pros, the cons. The Bitfinex app is a veteran crypto exchange known for deep liquidity and professional-grade tools. You won't believe how many features it offers for mobile traders. Pros include advanced charting tools, margin and derivatives trading, and access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies. Security measures are robust with two-factor authentication, withdrawal protection, and encryption. The app provides real-time price alerts, portfolio tracking, and an intuitive interface for active traders. Cons include a steeper learning curve for beginners, higher fees for smaller trades, and limited customer support during peak hours. Regulatory restrictions in some countries may also limit access. In conclusion, the Bitfinex app is ideal for experienced traders seeking liquidity, advanced tools, and professional trading options. Beginners may prefer simpler platforms, but those willing to learn will find a powerful trading environment.